Can you give that baby a kiss?
Yep.
Aww, that was sweet, Taylor. Uh-oh. Taylor, that baby wants some baba.
Let's feed the baby.
Can you feed the baby?
Can I feed your baby? Oh, she got too much. She's gonna burp.
You have to burp the baby.
Are you burping the baby?
Do you know how to burp her? Grandpa will show you.
Is that too much? Too much? Burp the baby.
Can you burp the baby? Her eyes open and close.
My baby. That's my baby. My baby. That's my baby. My baby.
So, this is what
You want my
Hat.
it's warmer than I thought.
You got Grandpa's hat?
You got the baby and she's got the hat.
Hat. You're a silly girl. You're a Pucky Booster. I'll trade you a baby for a hat. You want the baby?
Look how cute she is with that hat on.
Thank you. Only I don't dare. But my sister does.
That hat's too big. Papa? Oh, thank you. Thank you. My turn. You get the baby. You want the baby or the hat? Oh, the baby fell down. Oh, chicken my hat. There you go. You look cute.
Hi, cutie.
It's very nice.
Hat is on your head.
Especially for a meal. Never been better. This is so nice.
Oh, you found the bee.